Hello friends, welcome to CodeBode. In this video, let's see what are logical operators in Java. So here is our Eclipse IDE. In the last video, we saw relational operators. So let's say if you want to check a condition such as number is greater than 5, we use relational operators. But what if we want to check two or more conditions at a time? For example, if we want to check if the number is greater than 5 and less than 10 also. In that case, we use logical operators. We use logical operators to check two or more conditions. So there are two logical operators to do so, and or. So and is represented by double ampersand signs and is known as logical and it checks if all conditions separated by and are met. Even if one condition is false, output will be false. So let's print and check. Before that, let's take a variable I equal to 6. So sys out I greater than 5 and I less than 10. So here we are checking if I is greater than 5 and less than 10. If both the conditions are true, only then the output is going to be true. You can add multiple conditions. So let's add one more and I not equal to 7. So here you can see our I, which is 6, is greater than 5. It is also less than 10 and it is also not equal to 7. So since all the conditions are true, the output is going to be true. If I change one condition and say let's I greater than 5 and I also greater than 10 and I not equal to 7. So here one condition is false, that is I is not greater than 10. So it will be false. The output is going to be false. So for the AND operator, remember false and false is equal to false. False and true is also equal to false. True and false is also false. So only when both are true. So true and true equal to true. So for AND to be true, all conditions must be true, as we have seen in the example. Logical OR is opposite to this and is represented by two pipeline symbols like this. So for OR, at least one condition must be true. So in OR, false or false is false because both are false. So one or the other condition must be true. False or true is true, and true or false is also true. And obviously true or true is true. So let's print and check. Sys out I less than 10 or I greater than 20. So our I is 6. Now I is less than 10. That is one condition is true. So the output is going to be true. Also remember, if the first condition is true in OR, compiler won't even check the second condition because no need. If one is true, the output is going to be true. So compiler doesn't care about the second condition. Similarly with AND, if one is false, compiler won't check the next condition. You can also use and OR together. Let's print one such statement. So let's say sys out I not equal to 7 and in brackets I greater than 20 or I less than 10. So here the output is going to be, let's evaluate this, true for the first condition is true and in brackets it is going to be false for the first condition since I is not greater than 20 or I less than 10 is true. So false or true. So the bracket is going to be evaluated first. So it is going to be true and true. And the output is going to be for true and true is true, as our rule says. So even if brackets are not given, it is going to evaluate as true and false or true. So and is evaluated first. So false or true is true. So in this way, our logical operators work. You can also add multiple and or in one statement. So to check if the number lies in a particular range or to check the multiple conditions at a time, we use logical operators. So there is one more type of operator where we use single ampersand and single pipeline, which are known as bitwise operators. So don't confuse between logical and the bitwise operators. We are going to see bitwise operators in the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for the next video. Also like and share this video. Thank you.